Today I just received my Tom's drop-in air filters for my Lexus LC500. Getting ready to do an install here in a minute, and I wanted to give a tutorial for those of you who have not installed air filters before. Some of you have already probably done this procedure, but I'm going to show you specifically on how to do it on the LC500. These air filters look pretty impressive to me. You can see all that there. See what kind of airflow we get. A lot better than the stock OEM air filters for sure. These are like more of a spongy material versus the paper OEMs. So we'll see how they do. Okay, here we are under the hood of the LC500. These are the stock intake boxes. Normally you would have a cooling plate that goes over all this with a bunch of little clips. You're going to remove those little plastic clips. Remove the three panels, which are your cooling plate, which will cover this. Once you get those off, you're going to come here on your intake boxes and you're going to pull these clips right here. That's how you get to your OEM filters. You simply push that out. There's your filter. Replace it with your aftermarket filter. Here's the Tom's right here. And you just slide that back in a little box like that. You want to make sure your intake flow is the black side here. The Tom's logo and all that will be facing towards the firewall. That's how you know you got the correct flow in there. You're going to push that down and clip these back on. And that's it. You're done. And then you follow the same procedure on the other side. You're going to want to drive the vehicle for about 100 to 150 miles. Let the ECU learn the new airflow. And from there, crack it open and have some fun. I hope this tutorial helps you guys. Thanks.